Hi there, it's Amelia with OPI, and today I'm going to show you beautiful nail polish that is perfect for the spring and the summer. This is the OPI Nail Lacquer Neutral Nail Polish in the shade Once and Floral. This nail polish has a beautiful color because the color is like a combination of orange and pink, so it's really strong. That's why I like to paint my nails in this color for the spring and summer seasons, because I feel that it's a very cheerful color and the nails look beautiful and really good. I love that the nail polish is super easy to apply because it's liquid, and also I love the fact that it dries fast since I tend to damage my nails often. So I love the fact that it dries really fast. And after it dries, it looks like they have a gel effect, and I love that. So if you are looking for a beautiful nail polish with a cheerful pinkish orange color, I highly recommend this one. This is the OPI Nail Lacquer Neutral Nail Polish in the shade Once and Floral. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.